Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now remember, Tectonic token, of course, we all know is a future coin, and we know this coin is going to pump, but of course they need one important thing to do, which is destroying the supply of Tectonic token. They have about 500 trillion coins, and let me tell you one thing. If a coin have so many coins in supply, it affects that coins negatively, because when you take a look at the top 50 crypto coins, you discover only Shiba Inu have over 500 trillion coins. So when the coins get destroyed, when you have just few coins out there, it helps these coins to grow fast. It helps the prices to increase. Now, Tectonic token with about 500 trillion coins, they need to burn, they need to destroy. About 110 trillion coins are out there in circulation, and they have about 390 trillion coins which is remaining for supply. And I believe if they can burn half of the remaining supply, which is about 195 trillion coins, it's going to create more better impact for Tectonic token. Yes, and if possible, if they can even destroy at least 70% of the remaining supply, I think that is going to help Tectonic token to even increase more. Tectonic token is a good coin. Crypto.com have listed this coin. VVS Finance have listed this coin. Buck Candlestick just listed this coin. And I believe very soon we'll be seeing top exchanges coming in to partner with this coin. And don't be surprised when you see Robinhood, Binance coming in to support Tectonic token. They have good project, yes, and remember they have just about 500 trillion coins. Even Shiba Inu have more supply than Tectonic token, but they need to focus more on the listening and on the burning of the supply. So I think burning half or 70% of the remaining supply of Tectonic token is going to create more better impact for Tectonic token. And I believe next year, if they can start massively burning this coin, it will come with a better project or a better plan that will help see Tectonic token destroy at least 70% of the supply. That is going to help Tectonic token to really increase in price. Yes, Tectonic token still have about almost 5 zeros to 6 zeros, and I believe yes, these coins is going to delete between 1 to 2 zeros if they can really focus on helping, on destroying, and on partnering with top crypto exchanges. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.